Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about the IT service industry and where it's heading in the next few years. Before I start, a quick disclaimer. This is not a stock recommendation. I'm only sharing my understanding of how the IT services industry is evolving, especially with AI coming into the picture. I have around 15 years of experience in the service-based IT industry, so I understand how this business actually works, how companies deliver projects, and how they earn revenue from clients. Let's first understand the basic business model. In the IT services space, clients, whether domestic or international, approach service companies and say, "We have a project. Can you build this solution within a certain timeline?" There are mainly two pricing models here. The first is the fixed price model. In this model, the client doesn't care how many people are working on the project or what tools are being used. They just want the final solution. The service company agrees on a fixed amount, delivers the solution, and gets paid. That's it. The second model is the resource-based or time and material model. Here, the service company tells the client, "We will deploy 40 or 50 people on this project, and you'll be billed hourly or monthly." In this case, the client knows exactly how many people are working and pays based on that. So this is how the service-based IT industry has been running for years. Now the big question, what happens when AI comes into the picture? There are two possible scenarios. Scenario 1, AI product companies directly approach clients, banks, hospitals, legal firms, or any organization that needs software. They say, "Use our AI platform. Use a small internal team, and you can build your solution faster and cheaper." If that happens, traditional service companies could lose some business. Even if 10 out of 100 clients move to direct AI solutions, that's potentially 10% revenue impact for service companies. So yes, this is a real risk. Scenario 2. Service-based IT companies adapt. They build their own AI tools, agent-based systems, and automation platforms. Then they go to clients and say, "We'll still deliver your project, but now we'll use AI plus our experienced teams to deliver faster and better." In this case, revenue may remain largely intact. But what will change is headcount. If earlier they needed 100 people, maybe now they'll need only 30 or 40 people using AI tools. Delivery will be faster, clients will be happy, and companies will maintain margins, but hiring will slow down. So overall, we're looking at two parallel possibilities. Direct AI product companies taking some share, service companies transforming themselves with AI now. Will this happen immediately? No. In my opinion, this transition will take around 3 to 5 years to fully play out. Right now, companies are rushing to build AI tools, but many of these tools are still evolving. End-to-end software development purely through AI is not fully reliable yet. Testing, validation, and real-world delivery still need human involvement. So for the next few years, the core revenue model of service-based IT companies will likely remain intact. Some headcount optimization will happen, but we won't see a sudden collapse. However, beyond 5 years, things could look very different. The service companies that fail to build strong AI capabilities, automation platforms, and new delivery models may struggle to survive. But those that adapt early could become even stronger and more efficient. So the IT services industry is not disappearing. It's evolving. The winners will be the companies that embrace AI and change their delivery model in time. That's how I see the IT industry shaping up in the near future. Let me know in the comments what you think. Will AI reduce IT jobs drastically? Or will it just change the way we work? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.